Imagine a world where the heart of our planet, the Amazon rainforest, suddenly withers away. A place once alive with the symphony of life, the rustling leaves, the calls of howler monkeys, and the mesmerizing flutter of thousands of colorful butterflies. But what if this lush paradise faced a catastrophic event, and everything changed in an instant? This is my thoughts on everything, and now we are going to talk about what if Amazon rainforest burned? As flames consume the towering trees and the vibrant ecosystem collapses, an urgent question arises. What happens to the countless creatures that call this place home? Let's dive into the impact on insects, animals, and the very fabric of life itself. First up, the tiny heroes of the ecosystem, our beloved insects. Did you know that the Amazon is home to over 2.5 million species of insects? Many are specialized pollinators or decomposers, essential for the survival of the forest. But when the forest burns, these insects face dire challenges. Some may try to fly away, seeking refuge in nearby habitats. But can you imagine trying to find your way in an endless landscape of devastation? Others might be carried by the wind, riding on unpredictable gusts to uncertain destinations. Yet most won't survive this arduous journey. Without their specific host plants, many will face starvation, leading to a mass extinction that could echo throughout the food web. And then we have the majestic animals of the Amazon, jaguars prowling through the underbrush, sloths hanging lazily from branches, and vibrant macaws filling the sky with color. These creatures depend on the forest for their homes and food. With their habitats destroyed, they'll attempt to migrate, but it won't be easy. Imagine a jaguar trying to traverse a landscape filled with roads and human settlements. The competition for food would be fierce as they find themselves in unfamiliar territories, battling for survival against established populations of other species. And let's not forget the rivers, the lifeblood of the Amazon. They are home to countless fish and aquatic mammals like the pink river dolphin. But if the forest burns, the water cycle is disrupted, leading to drying rivers and shrinking habitats. Fish that depend on these waterways for breeding and survival would be left gasping for breath, with no safe place to migrate. Many species would face extinction, unable to swim to new habitats. It's a heartbreaking reality where an entire ecosystem could vanish in a blink. But the tragedy doesn't end there. The delicate balance of the food chain would shatter. Herbivores that rely on specific plants for sustenance would starve, leading to a cascading effect on carnivores that depend on them. In this new world, predators would find their meals scarce, resulting in further declines in populations. And what about us humans? Millions of people depend on the Amazon for food, medicine, and clean water. The loss of this incredible ecosystem would impact agriculture worldwide. Can you imagine the ripple effect? A world without the vital pollinators that keep our crops flourishing? A world where food becomes scarce and prices skyrocket. Indigenous communities, with their deep-rooted connection to the land, would find their way of life shattered. The Amazon is not just a forest, it's a lifeline for countless lives. Conclusion. So as we ponder the fate of the Amazon rainforest, let us remember the interconnectedness of life on our planet. The loss of this incredible ecosystem would not only mark the end of countless species, but also signify a dark chapter in our own survival story. Together, we must act to protect the Amazon and all the wonders it holds, for in preserving it, we preserve our future. That's all for today. We will talk on another topic in the next upcoming video. Stay tuned and keep sporting us. Thank you.